Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is real live payout request. I already did my trade today. I went long and I made $230 per account. So my account now, my PA account's of 14,000. So today I'm gonna do a live payout request from Apex, and I'm gonna do a trading review from Apex. My experience with them, what I'm trading, what type of account I'm trading. So before I'm gonna start with on the 12th of this month, August 12th, 2026, I request 17,500. Let's go back here, payout history, boom, do the math, 17,500. And took a while to hit my account. So I got paid today. So if you do the math, is that how many days is that? Like I request on the 12th. So literally 2 weeks, exactly 2 weeks. So I'm here like to show to prove you, right? That yes, Apex pay. So now I want to talk a little bit about the 300K legacy account while we are at it. So the 300K legacy account, you gotta pass the buffer. The buffer is 7,600. Then after that, you can request payout. So now it's gonna be my second payout that I'm gonna request, and yeah. So again, I request my payout on August 12th. You can see the date on the timestamp here, and I got paid today. I'll be sharing my bank account, but I got paid today. I mean, I could probably share on my phone. Maybe do like a. Let's see if you guys can take a look on my phone, so you can see that the money really hit the account. So I don't know. See, like if you pause, you can probably see here the 17K from Apex. So it's just hit my account today, and yeah, I mean. I keep trading with Apex. The process payout took a while compared to other platform. So, so yeah, now we're gonna do a quick live payout request. So I'm gonna request the max always. I want my money. Like I worked very hard for this money, so I'm gonna request the max. I already locked the account for the day, so that's fine. I'm gonna go to the second one, 3,500. Boom, third account. Boom. So yeah, it takes 2 weeks to hit the account. Take usually like sometimes a couple minutes to a day for the approval process. But that's like really for me doesn't matter. The payout approval. I mean, I did nothing wrong. I heard that back in the days they used to come up with things that people would complain. But now so if everyone is new here, Apex is a prop trading firm. That means instead of using your own money, you trade using Apex money. So you pass an eval, you prove you can trade. So I passed those evals. I made 30, I think that was 20,000. That's the profit target. And then after that, you got to do a buffer, 7,600. And then from there, that's when you, uh, that's when you can get paid. So one thing you gotta know about Apex, that's the lowest cost evaluation compared to a lot of firms out there. I'm not an affiliate, so it's not the payout, in my opinion, is not very fast compared to other prop firms. Like Take a Profit, I have accounts with Take a Profit. They pay right away. Usually Top Step, I got paid on Top Step, I got paid on Lucid. Usually it's very fast compared to Apex. Uh, but now, yeah, let's keep talking about the legacy. So you get the buy power of you can trade with 15 contracts. See, I have those Apex. You can use 15 contracts to trade. So that's a crazy buying power. And after you pass the trailing drawdown, you are all set. So my honest opinion, the pros of Apex, yes, they pay. The account is big, so it's a huge account, right? Those rules here, they are not that bad after you pass the 7,500. The rules that doesn't get too bad. But the first challenge is the intraday drawdown. So the rules changed a lot. That's one thing that people complain about Apex. Uh, so yeah, So you have to consider Apex. Start small. Don't jump straight to the big account. So learn how the drawdown rule works. Like watch this drawdown. You can go here and you can add it on settings. You see like distribute drawdown net liquid. That's very important because if you have intraday drawdown, you need to watch those numbers here. That's how much your account have to blow up. So you can also watch here, right? Max drawdown. So those are things that you should definitely watch. So oh shit, what did my account is locked, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, that's kind of like I want to do this quick video and share with you my experience with Apex. So they always have promotions. Apex is one that have like the most promotions out there when you see. But look, Legacy is back. Plus more limited time offer. Legacy accounts are back with 90% off your first month, 80% later. So yeah, they are back with the Legacy again. So I might get some since I already got paid. So I might try to get like another 15 accounts. I had 15 accounts, man. Like I had five that I passed, and I had 15, but I messed up. Left like 1,500. I went full size. Who knows the fucking reason? And ended up blowing up the account. Like, but now I think I'm gonna get like 15 more because I want to max out. I want to see if I can get like I want to see if I can request 70,000, instead of requesting 17. I got paid 17,500. I want to request 70, man. 70, yeah, $70,000. I want that money per request on my bank account. So now it looks like they have the promotion back. It looks like it just started. And yeah, so now the promotion goes through September 15th. So yeah, I might get some today or tomorrow. I think tomorrow, today will be busy. I have a newborn baby here. So yeah, that's my review, guys, and that's proof of my payout. So payout one is done. The second payout is pending, as you can see here. Trading days, 18 trading days. And yeah, well, let's rock and roll. If you have not liked or subscribed, please like and subscribe. And yeah, if you need anything, have any question, I'm here for you. Okay. See you guys later. Bye bye.